The Ministry of Labour is constituting a multi-sectoral committee to deal with the grievances raised by Kenya Airways pilots during their recent strike. Labour Principal Secretary Peter Tum told the National Assembly's Departmental Committee on Labour that most of the pilots' grievances are shared concerns among Kenya Airways employees, hence the need to come up with a lasting solution.
Airways projects to clear the backlog caused by the 4-day pilot strike in 2 days. Despite the airline and the pilots striking a return-to-work formula, the government plans to set up a multi-agency task force to look into the pilots' grievances that includes the welfare of all Kenya Airways workers.
Will be representatives from the Ministry of Transport, we will have representatives from the National Treasury, we will have representatives also from the pilots themselves, the management of Kenya Airways, and any other party that we will think is very necessary to join us in that conciliatory process.
Among the grievances raised by the pilots were concerns that Kenya Airways froze payment of the monthly pension contribution.
Issues are basically on the welfare of the pilots. Number one is on payment of their statutory deductions. Two is that the way their relationships are between management and themselves, the way management is handling their flight duties and all that.
The government acknowledges that the pilots' concerns are legitimate and mediation to try to solve them in the past have hit a snag. Therefore, a need for a multi-sectorial approach to address the grievances.
Airways is an entity that is receiving a lot of money from government, and it is in the interest of the Kenyan people to have things move smoothly so that we can avoid the losses, the huge losses that our country is experiencing at Kenya Airways.
The National Assembly's Departmental Committee on Labour plans to grill the KQ management and the Kenya Airline Pilots Association officials on the issues. Benson Ruba reporting for Prime Edition.